Hey, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So you can see guys, in the last video I did the CI/CD for the Google Cloud Engine. I mean you know we created the pipeline for the Google engine, the workload. Okay, so here we can execute the we can do the CI/CD for the cloud run. So whatever the image we have built for the GK workload, same image we can use for the Google Cloud Run. Okay. So I will do now, I will create the Cloud Run now. Okay. I will deploy Cloud Run with the same image to see whether it is working fine or not. Okay. I hope it will work fine because it is a Docker image. The Docker image can use for the Google Cloud Run as well as you can say a pod or Google Cloud Engine workload. Okay, so once we able to deploy the Google Cloud Run using the same image, then we can do the CI/CD pipeline for the Google Cloud Run also. Okay, for the Google Cloud, I mean the Google Kubernetes engine. Okay, CI/CD pipeline. Last time we did in the cloud build YML file, like we clone the repo as well as we you know like build the image, then we push the image to the Google Cloud registry. Okay, so the procedure would be remain same, like to create, build, and to push the image. But while deploying, because the cloud run, we have to update some changes. I mean the changes in the commands, because while deploying the Google Cloud run, so command is little bit different. Okay, like here you can see G cloud. Okay, run deploy, then deployment name, you can define any name. Okay, then image, it is the image, like the image like we store inside the Google cloud registry. Then we have to define the region name, but in the Google Cloud Engine we define as the environment variable, but here we are doing directly defining the region and region name. And allow authenticated, why we are defining, because if we deploy, and once it got deployed, while trying to access like from the browser, like that applications, the any user can be access it, not only the authenticated user. Authenticated user means like whatever the user we have allowed to access, only those users can able to access it, but we want to access it publicly, right? So that's why I'm defining allow on authenticated. Okay, so after that you can see we in the substitution we are defining the email's name, development name, because it is not the hard coded, right? Okay, so that's here I'm defining those value here. So, so let's do one thing, guys. Let's create the cloud run using the same image first to see it's working fine or not. Then we can make it automated, like we have to create the pipeline for that. Okay, so let me go to the Google Cloud Console and let me open the Google Cloud Run. Uh, let me open now. Deploy one revision from the existing container image. Let me select it. Go to the container registry. Uh, we have the CI/CD image. Let me select that. Okay. The service name selected automatic. If you want to if you want to change the name, you can also change it. Region, I selected the US Central one. If you want to change to different region, also you can change it. CPU is only allocated during the request the processing, or if you want to always allocate the CPU, also you can change the value here. And for the auto scaling, here you can see the minimum instance will be 0 and the maximum 10. As per your requirement, you can change it, but as we're doing for the demo, so we can leave as it is. Okay, using the default value. And we have two options, either internal or second is allow. Allow means like for the from the internet you can access, or if you want to provide from any dedicated VPC or load balancer, you can allow that. Okay, for as we are doing for the demo, we can access for the from the internet directly. And authentications, I told you for if you want to provide the access to the all the user publicly, you have to provide the allow unauthenticated. Okay, otherwise if you want to provide only the dedicated user, then you have to provide the required authentications. So if you go to the container networking security, you can see the port number. It is the container port number. Okay, networking, if you want to change anything here, if you want to define dedicated network, you can define that. As for the security also, if this is a service account, I don't have any dedicated service account, so whatever the account is coming as by default, I will keep as it is. Okay, and the encryption, there is a Google managed encryptions as well as the customer managed encryption key. I don't have any dedicated key, so I will go with the default one. So let me create. It will take, I think, max. Okay, fail to create network error. Please enter. Okay, I think there's some internet connections. If you see here, my internet goes down. So please stay online, guys, and let me reconnect the internet. Then I can execute that again. Okay, so please wait. I'll come back once they restore the internet. 1 second, please. So hi guys, my internet connection has been restored. So let me create it now. Started to create it. Okay. It's created now. So, and you can see it is very very fast. It has been created. Let me try to open the cloud run using this UI. Okay. Yeah, so if you see the same image, whatever the image we had built for the GK workload, same image used for the Google Cloud Run. Okay, it's working now. So thank you guys. So you can see we use the same image to create the Google Cloud Run. So what I'll do, I'll create another video in which I will set up the CI/CD pipeline for the Cloud Run. So in case if we change anything inside the our on the main.py file, I mean in the source like the source code, then it will it will impact. I mean it will once change anything inside the source code. So as for the CI/CD pipeline, it will build the image, it will trigger. Okay, it will trigger and it will build, and it will build image. Okay, that image would be pushed to our Google Cloud registry, and that image would be applied to our Google Cloud Run. Okay, so thank you guys. I will connect with the next session, and then I will set up the CI/CD pipeline to implement for the Google Cloud Run. Okay, thank you. So please guys, please share, subscribe, and see my channel. Okay, please like my video. So thank you guys. We'll connect with the next session.